So, in last video series, we had discussed the production processes. I told like the scientific oriented and application oriented papers. So in this application oriented papers, the finite element analysis is also important analysis. After the designing processes, the analysis finite element analysis is the very important. Like the advanced one software, the Fusion 360 software. So Fusion 360 software is the combined of designs and combined of analysis also. So one software it consists of both processes. Like CATIA Pro is the one of the 3D softwares only. AutoCAD. So these are the one categories, but this is a separate categories. Okay, that is a very important one. So please you note it. The application oriented paper is very important, and also management papers is the separate categories. Okay, clearly mind it. First, split the areas, and also which is very important in our mechanical field, which is very important in current trends. Current trend means is totally different. Is the we are going to the industry 5.0 processes. I am told about old processes, that is a production, but the production is also very basics. The basics அப்படிங்கிறது நமக்கு கண்டிப்பாக தெரியணும். அந்த பேசிக் தெரிஞ்சால் மட்டும்தான் அடுத்த ப்ராசஸ் உனக்கு அட்வான்ஸ்டு ப்ராசஸ் லேட்டஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப்ஸ் நீங்கள் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிடும் போது உங்களுக்கு அது ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். பட் பேசிக் ப்ராசஸ் இஸ் அன்னோன் ப்ராசஸ் மீன்ஸ் இஸ் டோட்டலி ஃபாயில். ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், ஓகே. So I told the basics of the productions and material categories. So in this process, the casting is the very important processes. The casting, the second processes. The casting is the one of the important production process. It is the solution metal solutions is directly converted into the solids. It's a different type of castings is there. The basic casting is the sand mold castings, gravity day castings, centrifugal castings, skews castings, investment castings. Because why which type of castings means it depends upon the product. For example, you produce the pipeline means the centrifugal casting is very best examples. How like the stirring process is purely mixed material you needed means the still casting process is very important. So like this I told this is the two simple examples. So a lot of casting processes there. Okay, so the casting process is very important one, our rolling processes. Okay, so after the casting processes, the production process, the product maybe 50% or 60% completed, but you can check the strength means if not obtained or not satisfied means the casting process is either going to the forging process or rolling process. Rolling process is the different applications. I told upcoming next video series the forging processes, because the forging process is the strengthening, one of the strengthening processes. So the casting is very important. So in this casting processes, the graphite coating will be provided on inside of the die. Why the graphite coating is coated in the die means to avoid the frictions, and also to easily to remove the cast work pieces after the casting processes from the die. Otherwise the cast material is closely paste with the die, so this process will be easily avoided. So the graphite coating will be majorly used. Okay, so this is one categories. So first to split the categories is very important one. Okay, this is the best example for the gravity die casting is the best example for the one of the casting processes. In next video series we have to see the forging process, rolling process, how to done the forgings and how to done the rolling process, what are the applications of the forgings, what are the types of the forgings. So this will be included in the upcoming video series. Thank you.